So next cylinder part பார்க்க போறோம். So formula curved surface area or lateral surface area, so anything. Okay, curved surface area of a cylinder, formula is 2 pi r h, where r is radius and h is height. Okay, so curved surface area meaning தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. This is a cylinder. So curved surface area means top and without top and bottom. Top and bottom include ஆகுது, just அந்த curve shapeல இருக்க அந்த sides மட்டும் தான் we take this. Okay, so curved surface area இதுதான். Next TSA, that is total surface area. TSA, total surface area of cylinder. So total surface area na top and bottom, so ரெண்டுமே include ஆகும். So இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸோ ஜென்ரல் ஃபார்முலா ஃபார்மேட் இருக்குது, நான் எப்படி ஃபார்முலா வந்ததுன்னு சொல்லிடுறேன். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், கர்வ் சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியா சுற்றி இருக்கிறத எடுத்துப்போம். ஸோ CSA ப்ளஸ் ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி டாப் அண்ட் ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி பாட்டம். ஸோ ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி டாப் பார்க்கறதுக்கு ஷேப் எந்த ஷேப்பில் இருக்குது, சர்க்கிள் ஷேப். ஸோ ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி சர்க்கிள் என்ன ஃபார்முலா, பை ஆர் ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி டாப் சர்க்கிள் ப்ளஸ் ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி bottom circle. So bottom la irukka oru circle. Okay va. So CSA enna formula already paathathu, 2 pi r h plus area of the top circle. So this is some radius irukku, so r nu edutukonga. So top area of the circle formula is pi r square. The next bottom also pi r square. So pi r square we get 2 pi r square. So here 2 pi common for both terms and r also common for both terms. So taking common 2 pi r taking common, balance irukkudu h plus remaining term. So 2 pi taking common r square, that means 2 r's place. So taking one r and another r only. So this is a formula of TSA of the cylinder. Okay, next example 3. Savitri had to make a model of a cylindrical kaleidoscope for her science project. She wanted to use chart paper to make the curved surface of the kaleidoscope. What would be the area of chart paper required by her if she wanted to make a kaleidoscope of length 25 centimeter with 3.5 centimeter radius. Okay, so Savitri had to make a model of a cylinder kaleidoscope for her science project. So science project காக அவங்க வந்து ஒரு kaleidoscope செய்றாங்க and she want to make the paper. So paper use பண்றாங்க. So அது பாத்தீங்கன்னா so அந்த required material பார்க்கிறதுக்கு the cylindrical shape ல இருக்கு. So this is a cylinder, then radius is 3.5. So radius value is 3.5 centimeter and length நால height நால same தான் சரியா. So height is 25 centimeter. So given radius is 3.5 centimeter and height h is 25 centimeter. So we know that CSA. ஸோ பேப்பர்ன்றது நம்ம அந்த கேலரோஸ்கோப் செய்யும் போது பேப்பர் வந்து சைடில் அவுட்டரில் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ CSA ஆஃப் தி கேலரோஸ்கோப் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ CSA ஆஃப் தி cylinder formula is 2 pi RH, where 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 and R value is 3.5, so 3.5 and H value is 25. 1 7s are 7, 5 7s are 35 வரும். So இங்க 3.5 நால 0.5. okay. So next 2 into 22 44, 0.5 into 25 we get 4 5s are 20, balance 2, 4 5s are 20, so 22 point cancel, it will be cancel, so 25 22 into 25 we get 550 centimeter square. okay. Next exercise 13.2 question number 1. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. okay. So what is question? The curved surface area of the right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. That is means and the curved, so எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க height and next first, so I mean curved surface area ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த 14யும் the height ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு 88 centimeter square எடுப்பாங்க. The CSA of question எல்லாம் read பண்ணும். The CSA of the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder of height. So on the right circular cylinder oda height தான் 14 centimeter, அதோட CSA is 88 centimeter square. இன்னொரு ட்ரிக் என்னன்னா CSA னா என்ன எடுப்போம், மீட்டர் யூனிட் இஸ் ஸ்கொயர் யூனிட்ல வரும். So this is a square unit unit, so this is a curved surface area. So CSA of cylinder is 88 centimeter square. okay. So CSA of the cylinder formula is, so what is find out? Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So D equal to what? So we know that diameter equal to 2 times of radius. So 2 into radius we get the diameter value. First we need to find out the radius value, next we find out the diameter value. okay. So first given CSA of the cylinder value is 88 centimeter square. So we know that CSA of the cylinder formula is 2 pi RH equal to 88. So 2 into pi value is 22 by 7, R value find out pannu, H value is 14 equal to 88. 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. So 2 into 22 into R into 2 equal to 88. Multiply 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 2, 88. So 88 into R equal to 88. Therefore R equal to 88. The 88 divide la vandru, so convert to division. So 88 will be cancelled. We get R equal to 1. So diameter equal to 2 times of R, that is 2 into 1. We get 2. Therefore diameter equal to 2 centimeter. This is the final answer. okay. Next question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter. Form a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same. Okay, it is required to make the closed cylindrical tank of the height 1 meter and the base, the diameter is 140. Form a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? Okay, so this is also cylindrical shape. Then formula is TSA. So because the curved surface area நம்ம find out பண்ணோம் on top and bottom, because required sheet full நம்ம cylindrical tank. So tank top and bottom ரெண்டுமே என்ன இருக்கும், closed ஆயிருக்கும். So cylindrical tank convert பண்ண போறோம். So formula is, and the radius given value is, height is 1 meter, so h equal to 1. The diameter is 140 centimeter. So diameter equal to 1 meter. This is 140 centimeter. So centimeter convert to meter na is divisible by 100. So 140 by 100 centimeter get cancelled. That is 1.4 meter. So radius equal to diameter by 2. This is the formula, because we know that diameter equal to 2 times of radius. So r find out பண்ணும்போது 2 இந்த side வரும்போது convert to division. So r equal to d by 2, that is diameter by 2. This is the formula. So r equal to, where diameter value is 1.4, so 1.4 by 2 cancel, we get 0.7. Therefore radius value is 0.7 meter. This is radius and this is height. We need to find out the TSA of the required cylinder. So TSA of the cylinder, that is formula 2 pi r h plus r. Already every formula varum na sollirken. How to get this formula? So 2 into 22 by 7. Here radius value is 0.7 and h value is 1 plus radius value is 0.7. Okay, so 1 7s are 7 and 0.1, because this is point value. So 1 7s are 7, so 0.1 is 0.1. So 2 into 22 into 0.1 into 1 plus 0.7, we get 1.7. So multiply 2 into 22, 44. Then 1 times r, so 1 7. So inga oru point inga oru point na 2 points. So 2 points solliyachu. So 0.17 we multiply, we get 7.48 meter square. Okay.